Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over all of the best deals that are going on at Walgreens this week. We have freebies, we have glitches, and we have money makers. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we're going to kick this video off with a couple of freebies. So first up, we have a couple of free photo codes. So if you want to get a free 8x10 photo this week, just use the code LUCKY8x10 at checkout. And while you're at it, choose 2 free 5x7 photos and use the code twice free. Now, even if you guys don't pick these up this week, go ahead and put in your order and take advantage of these freebies. Typically, Walgreens will keep those photos for a week or two before they throw them out. So even if you can't make it to Walgreens in the next couple of days, go ahead and get these freebies. Alright, next up, let's talk about our digital spin boosters for just a second. So this week at Walgreens, I received an earn $15 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $60. Now, I do also have a paper spin booster for earn $9 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $40. So that might be a really good deal, but I just don't know. I haven't really made up my mind whether I want to go in and do a big, huge spin deal like this or not yet. So y'all just have to stay tuned and see what I decide. But good news is that yesterday this spin booster popped up on my account, and this one is valid from March the 1st through March the 31st. So it is earn $5 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $5. So how awesome is that? You can go into the store, pick up $5 worth of products, and it's going to be completely free. So if y'all have this on your account, you better make sure that you clip it and clip it fast because this won't last long. Okay, so make sure that you have that saved to your account. Now, since this popped up so late in the day yesterday on my account, I didn't have time to go back through all of these deals that we're about to go over and kind of make extra slides telling y'all what your out-of-pocket or final price would be if you use this spin booster. So we're just going to kind of wing it as we go through here. But keep in mind, if you go into Walgreens and you spend $5 on any of these products, you're going to earn $5 in Walgreens cash rewards with that booster. So that's going to be free products plus money makers on some of these deals. Alright guys, so first up this week at Walgreens, we do have a couple of deals on paper products. So we have Scott paper towels 6 count, Scott bath tissue 12 count, and Kleenexes. Those are all priced at $5 each, and they're on sale, buy one get one half off. So pick up 2, that's going to put you at $7.50, making those $3.75 each, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. And don't forget, on Fetch Rewards right now, we do have bonuses for Scott paper products. So make sure that you check your account to see what you have on yours. Here's one that was on mine. I think I have a total of 3 though. But if you wanted to pick up 2 of these Scott paper towels, then you would submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you would earn 500 points back, which is the equivalent of 50 cents. And if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend it because this is the easiest rebate app out there, especially if you are a new couponer. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you want to go and check it out, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points. Alright, next up we have a pretty good little deal on Angel Soft. This is the 2-ply bathroom tissue 9 count. These are on sale for $3.99 each, and when you purchase 3, you're going to get back a $3 register reward. So pick up 3, that's going to put you at $11.97. Use 2 of the 50% off 1 digital coupons. That's going to leave you paying $10.97. And of course, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Then you're going to get back that $3 register reward, making your final price $7.97 for all 3, making those $2.65 each. So, just as a quick example, if you guys wanted to pair this with that spend 5, earn $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster, you would actually pay the $10.97 out of pocket. But you're going to get back that $3 register reward plus $5 in Walgreens cash. So that would make your final price $2.97 for all 3, making those less than $1 each. Alright, next up, we have Purex Laundry products. They are on sale this week. Buy one, get one for free. So if you want to pick up the Purex Liquid Laundry Detergent, those are priced at $7.29. So pick up 2 of those at $7.29, and that's going to make those $3.64 each. And also included in this sale are the Purex Crystals Scent Boosters. So those are priced at $6.99. So pick up 2 at $6.99. That's going to make those $3.49 each. Or you could also pick up the Purex 4-in-1 packs. So they do have a 15 count and a 19 count, whichever one you want to choose from. They're both priced at $5.99. So pick up 2, that's going to make those $2.99 each. Alright, next up we also have Arm & Hammer laundry products. Those are also on sale this week. Buy one, get one for free. So if you want to pick up the Arm & Hammer packs, those are priced at $7.99. You can use Walgreens cash to pay for these deals, and that'll make those just $3.99 each. And we also have the Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergent as well as the Scent Boosters. Both of those products are priced at $7.69. So pick up 2 at $7.69. That's going to make those $3.84 each. Alright, next up we have All & Snuggle laundry products. So these are on sale this week for $7.99, and when you purchase one, you're going to get back $2 in Walgreens cash. So pick up one at $7.99, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay, but you're going to get back $2 in Walgreens cash, making your final price $5.99. Alright, next up we have a little deal on the Cascade dishwasher detergents. You can choose from the pods or the liquid. So these are on sale this week for $5.99, and when you purchase 3, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. So pick up 3, that's going to put you at $17.97. Use 2 of the 50% off 1 insert coupons from the P&G insert. There may also be printables available on the pnggoodeveryday.com website. I have that linked in the description box down below if you want to go and check it out. So that will leave you paying $16.97, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You'll get back that $5 register reward, which make your final price $11.97 for all 3, making those $3.99 each. Next up, we have the Palmolive dish soap, 8 fluid ounces. These are on sale this week for 99 cents, and we have a 50% off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying just 49 cents, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. But keep in mind, the lowest amount of Walgreens cash that you can redeem is $1. So you're going to have to throw something in with this little deal right here so that you can redeem Walgreens cash to pay for this. Alright, next up we have Tide, Downy, Charmin, and Bounty products. These are on sale this week for $5.49, and when you purchase 4, you're going to get back a $6 register reward. So here's a little deal that you can do. You can pick up one of the Tide liquid laundry detergents, one of the Tide pods, one of the Charmin, and one of the Bounty. That's going to bring your subtotal to $21.96. And the coupons that you're going to use is the 1 off 1 Tide Liquid, 1 off 1 Tide Pods, 25 cents off 1 Charmin, and 25 cents off 1 Bounty. So you can find all 4 of those coupons in this month's P&G insert that just came out in Sunday's newspaper, or you can also check the P&G Good website. They should be on there as well. So I'll have that linked in the description box down below. But that's going to leave you paying $17.46, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. And you're going to get back a $6 register reward, which is going to make your final price $11.46 for all 4, making those just $2.87 each. Now, if you wanted to pair this same exact deal with a spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster, or now you can pair that with the spend 5, get $5 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster. That's going to leave you paying $17.46 out of pocket, but you'll get back that $6 register reward and $5 in Walgreens Cash. So that would make your final price $6.46 for all 4, making those just $1.61 each. Alright, next up we have a deal on Pantene hair care products. So these are on sale this week for $4, and when you buy 3, you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So pick up 3 at $12, use the 5 off 3 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $7, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay, but you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash, which is going to make your final price $3 for 3, making those just $1 each. Alright, next up we have a deal on soft soap body wash. So these are on sale for $3.99, and when you purchase 2, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. So pick up 2, that's going to put you at $7.98. Use the 1 off 1 digital coupon and a 75 cent off 1 printable coupon from softsoap.com. And that is going to leave you paying $6.23, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. And then you're going to get back that $5 register reward, which is going to make your final price $1.98 for two, making those just 99 cents each. Alright, next up we have Garnier Hoblins shampoos and conditioners. These are priced at $3.99. So what you want to do is pick up two of them. That's going to put you at $7.98. Use the 4 off 2 manufacturer coupon plus the 1 off 1 IVC coupon, which will take off a total of $2. That's going to leave you paying $1.98, making those just 99 cents each. And again, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. Next up, we have Gillette Deodorant. These are on sale this week, 2 for $12. And when you purchase 2, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So pick up 2 at $12. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $8. And you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. Then you're going to get back that $4 register reward, which is going to make your final price $4 for 2, making those just $2 each. Alright, next up, here's a really good coupon matchup. So we have the Lubriderm Lotion 16 ounce. These are priced at $7.79. We have a 2 off 1 manufacturer coupon plus a 2 off 1 IVC store coupon. So that's going to leave you paying just $3.79. And yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. Alright, next up we have Crest and Oral-B products. They are on sale this week for $4, and when you purchase 2, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So pick up one of the toothbrushes and one of the toothpaste. That's going to put you at $8. Use both of the 2 off 1 digital coupons. We have one for the toothbrush and one for the toothpaste. And that is going to leave you paying $4, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. Then you're going to get back a $4 register reward, which is going to make your final price completely free. But the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a 25-cent rebate on the Crest toothpaste. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back 25 cents. That's going to make your final price completely free plus a 25-cent moneymaker. Alright, next up we have Colgate Products. They are on sale this week for $3.99, and the promotion is when you buy 2, you get back $4 in Walgreens Cash. So I recommend, since we always get free toothpaste, take advantage of this deal and pick up the Colgate mouthwash and a Colgate toothbrush. That's going to put you at $7.98. Then you're going to use the 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate mouthwash plus a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate toothbrush. That's going to leave you paying $4, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. Then you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens Cash. So that's going to make your final price completely free. Alright, next up we have a little glitch. So we have this 3 off 1 Dulcolax digital coupon. It does say it excludes 10 count or smaller, but this is working on the Dulcolax 4 count. Those are priced at $5.99. Use that 3 off 1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $2.99, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. Alright, for this next little deal, we have some more Dulcolax products. This is on the 25 count. These are priced at $8.99. There's different ones that you can choose from. There's a pink box, there's kind of a blue box, and a green box. So these are on sale, buy one, get one half off. So what you want to do is pick up 2. That's going to put you at $13.48. You're going to use that 3 off 1 manufacturer coupon, plus we have a 3 off 1 IVC coupon, which is going to take off a total of $6. That's going to make your final price $4.48 for 2, making those just $2.24 each, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. Alright, next up we have this high value coupon for 5 off 1 of the Olay moisturizers. So if you want to pick up the Olay hydrating moisturizers, 0.5 ounces, these are priced at $12.99. Use that 5 off 1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $7.99, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. Now, this little matchup here is pretty much the same thing. It's just a different product, but these are actually sold in the stores, so you may be able to do this as a pickup order. So pick up one at $12.99. Use that 5 off 1 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $7.99, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. And here's another item that may be in stock at your store, so this will be a great little pickup order. So pick up one of the Olay Regenerist Rich Face Moisturizers. These are priced at $11.99. Use that 5 off 1 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $6.99, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. And here's another little deal that you could do as a pickup order. So pick up one of the Olay Firming Night Cream Face Moisturizers. These are priced at $7.79. Use that 5 off 1 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying just $2.79. And you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. Alright, next up we have the Garnier Skin Active Cellular Cleansing Waters. These are priced at $8.99. Use the 3 off 1 manufacturer coupon plus a 2 off 1 IVC coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3.99, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. Alright guys, so this next little deal has to be a ship to store order. That way you'll get free shipping. And it's currently out of stock. But I wanted to go ahead and tell y'all about this deal because these coupons do not expire until May the 10th of 2022. So we have a couple of months to wait and see if Walgreens get these back in stock, which I'm sure that they will several times between now and May the 10th. So just make a note of it to keep checking back each week and see if they have them in stock. And if I ever see them in stock for ship to store orders, I will make a post in the community tab. So pick up the Vinci Thermal Spa Water Spray. These are priced at $9.50. We have a high value 5-off-1 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $4.50, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. And I also have a 6-off-1 digital coupon for this product. So pick up one at $9.50, use the 6-off-1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3.50. And again, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Alright, next up, I'm not sure if this is considered a glitch or not, but I added these to my cart and it is working. So you want to pick up 3 of the Revlon Colorstay eyeshadow palettes. These are priced at $5.19 each, and they're on sale. Buy 2, get the 3rd for free. So pick up 3, that's going to put you at $10.38. We have a 10 off 3 digital coupon for the Revlon products. So that's going to make your final price just 38 cents for all 3, making those just 12 cents each. And we also still have this glitch going on with the Revlon nail files. So these are priced at $1.69. We have this 2-off-1 digital coupon. It does say it excludes the emery boards, but it is working. Now, if you pull this up in your app, it's not going to show that the 2-off-1 digital coupon applies until you add it to your cart, okay? So if you add it to your cart, it's going to take off $1.69, making your final price completely free. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if I find any other Walgreens deals, I will make a post in the community tab about it. So keep an eye on that, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and turn on those notifications so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. That way you won't miss out on any awesome deals. Also, please hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all already know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.